Hi, I'm Inu-sensei. Today I'm teaching you a day in Japan survival guide with 3 Japanese phrases. Sumimasen, kudasai, and doko desu ka. By the end of this video, you'll survive an entire day in Japan with just 3 phrases. First up, Sumimasen. This is a magic word with 3 meanings. Meaning number 1, excuse me. Use it when you're calling someone or getting their attention. Calling a waiter.
すみません。
Asking someone for directions. Passing through a crowd. Meaning number 2, sorry. Use it for a small apology. Bumping into someone.
すみません。
Keeping someone waiting. Being late for an appointment. Meaning number 3, thank you. This one's interesting. It's a thank you that comes from feeling sorry. Someone picks up something you dropped.
すみません。
Someone holds the door for you after someone helps you out. See, with just sumimasen, you can call someone, apologize, and say thank you. Pretty handy, right? Next phrase is kudasai. You just need one pattern. Item name plus kudasai. That's it. Beer?
すみません。ビールください。
Water?
お水ください。
Menu?
すみません。メニューください。
Pointing at something? Just say kore kudasai. Even at a konbini, need a bag? Fukuro kudasai. Same pattern every single time. And remember sumimasen from before? Combine them. Sumimasen, biru kudasai. Now you sound like a local. Last phrase. Doko desu ka? The formula is simple. Place or thing plus wa doko desu ka? That's where is. This phrase works anywhere. Let's run through some real situations. Toire wa doko desu ka? Where is the toilet? Eki wa doko desu ka? Where is the station? Deguchi wa doko desu ka? Where is the exit? Konbini wa doko desu ka? Where is a convenience store? ATM wa doko desu ka? Where is ATM? So, we've just learned 3 key phrases: sumimasen, kudasai, and doko desu ka. Now, let's do a quick quiz to see how you do. Ready?
すみません。
どこですか?
ください。
How did it go? Pretty easy, right? Now this time, try saying the answers out loud. When you're calling someone,
すみません。ビールください。
トイレはどこですか? bumping into someone.
すみません。
駅はどこですか?
お水ください。
Did you get them all? Awesome! I think you've totally mastered them now. Make sure to use them when you visit Japan, or honestly, whenever you get the chance. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time!